Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Kraken wallet. First, navigate to the official Kraken website. You'll need to enter your email address, create a secure password, and select your country. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation link. Clicking this link verifies your email and moves you to the next step of setting up your account. This initial process is quick and ensures your account is properly linked to you. Next, you'll need to complete the identity verification process. This involves providing personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and address. You will also be prompted to upload clear images of a government-issued identification document, like a passport or driver's license. Kraken reviews these submissions to ensure compliance and security. Approval typically takes a short time, after which your account will be fully functional for transactions. Once your account is verified, you can fund your Kraken wallet. Kraken offers various deposit methods, including traditional bank transfers and direct cryptocurrency deposits. Select your preferred option and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. For bank transfers, you'll link your bank account. For crypto, you'll send funds to a specific wallet address. Always double-check all transaction details before confirming to ensure your funds are sent correctly. Finally, securing your Kraken account is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app for an extra layer of protection. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Additionally, use a strong, unique password that you don't reuse on other sites and consider updating it periodically. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Keeping your account secure is a continuous effort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.